With these 5 products, you can go from this to this. Let me show you how. First, I'm using Lakme 925cc cream, and I'm only going to apply on the dark areas like under the eyes, little bit near the nose, and also around the lips. And also applying on that area which I want to highlight. Now for blending, I'm taking a small brush like this and I'm start blending outwards. And I will do the same for the whole face. Now I'm taking a beauty blender and I'm blending it inwards to outwards so that my skin looks natural, and I will do the same for the whole face. Here I'm moving on to the next product, and that is blush. And I'm using Blue Heaven blush because it's affordable and easy to blend. Use dabbing and circular motion for applying your blush. Now you can clearly see that this side of my face is looking more defined and soft. With the same brush, I am applying blush on my eyelids. I'm also applying little bit on my chin, and don't forget to apply it on chin. It's time for eyeliner, and I'm applying eyeliner so close to my upper lash line like this. And if you are a beginner, then applying your eyeliner like this is easy. And in the end, I am making a small wing so that my eyes look uplifted. Here you can see that it's not looking messy. Now I'm using mascara, and I'm applying mascara like this since the first video, so I don't have any specific instructions. I don't know why, but this happens every time. Now it's time for the lips, and here I'm using Zudio's lip color, and I will mention all the products that I used in this video. I don't know why, but I really like this color because it's matte and it's give you a velvety texture, and also you can wear it every day. So here's my everyday 5-minute makeup look is done, but I was so excited to use that lip color also on my eyelids, so I couldn't stop myself and I tried it, and it was so smooth, and it was easily blending, and here you can see that it was looking so nice. So with that, here my everyday 5-minute makeup look without foundation is done. So I hope you like this video, and if you enjoyed this video, so please give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more makeup looks, and I'll meet you in my next video.